I will tell you the importance of tense. Some teacher they don't misguide the students, but they say that tense is not important for learning English. But I will just tell you, if you will complete the tense, if you know the tense, that means 90% you have learned speaking English, writing English. So don't avoid tense. Don't underestimate the power of tense. Tense is very important. Okay, if you want to learn English, so you must complete the tense first. This is so much important. If you don't know the tense and if you are just trying to learn English, so this is just like you are being a parrot who has just memorized something and just keep on repeating the same, like a tape recorder type. So tense is very important. If you don't know the tense, so you can't make any sentence by yourself. Okay, so I just don't know what other people just tell you. You need to be very careful about learning tense. You need to learn the tense, and for learning tense there are some things that you need to know. The first things are like subjects. Okay, the most important thing you should know before learning the tense is subjects. What are the subjects? So subjects are divided into two parts. The subjects are divided into two parts. The first part can be in the first part we can mention I, we, you, they, and plural number. This is the first part. Okay, the first we are discussing about the subjects. We are discussing about the subjects. So subjects can be classified into two parts. The first part is I, we, you, they, plural number, and the second part he, she, it, name, and singular number. So these are the main things. Okay, these are the main subject. You need to just compare this. The subjects are divided into two parts. The first part is I, which means मैं, we means हम, you means तुम या आप, you means तुम या आप, they means वे, प्लूरल नंबर मीन्स बहुवचन, दो या दो से ज़्यादा, दो या दो से ज़्यादा. देन ही मीन्स वहाँ लड़का. व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट एनी बॉय, जब भी हम किसी लड़के के बारे में बात करते हैं, देन ही मीन्स वी यूज़ ही मीन्स वहाँ लड़का. देन शी मीन्स वहाँ लड़की. व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट एनी गर्ल, जब भी हम किसी लड़की के बारे में बात करते हैं, सो वी हैव टू यूज शी, लाइक वो लड़की अच्छी है, शी इज़, वो लड़की, लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक वो लड़की मीन्स दैट गर्ल. आई एम सेइंग लाइक वो अच्छी है, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ गर्ल, किसी लड़की के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. सो शी इज़ अ नाइस गर्ल, शी इज़ अ गुड गर्ल. ओके, देन इट मीन्स यहाँ, इट मीन्स यहाँ. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी यूज़ इट फॉर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. ओके, or for animals. Okay, then name means anyone's name. Then singular number, so singular number means एक बचन, singular number means एक बचन. So these are the subjects. So this is the first thing you should know, and after subject the second thing you should know is helping verb. The second thing you should know is helping verb. Helping verbs is also so much important. You can't avoid the helping verb. So this is subject, and now we will discuss about the helping verb. Let's see here again. Let's recall this. I have just told you the subject can be classified into two parts. The first part is I, we, you, they, plural number. Second part is he, she, it, name, singular number. I means मैं, we means हम, you means तुम या आप, they means वे, plural number means बहुवचन, and here he means वह लड़का. whenever we talk about any boy, जब भी हम किसी लड़के के बारे में बात करते हैं, then we use he. she means वह लड़की, it means यहाँ, name means नाम, singular number means एक वचन. whenever we talk about any single thing, जब भी हम किसी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करें, then we have to use singular number. Now after subject, the second most important thing you should know is helping verbs. Okay, helping verbs, because without helping verbs it's next to impossible to just make any sentence in English. Okay, so the second thing we will discuss about is helping verb. So let's see some examples of helping verb, like am, is, are, then was, were, do, does, did, or do, does, did, and after that have, has, will, shall, and so on. So these are the examples of helping verb. Already I have just made a described video, I have made a detailed video about helping verbs. If you didn't watch that, so just go to the video just playlist and you can just watch this video about helping verb. So after helping verb, the next important thing is main verb. What is called main verb? Okay, we will discuss about the main verb. So main verb means like whatever we do, जो भी हम करते हैं, जो भी काम हो रहा है, जो भी काम हम करते हैं, that is called the main verb. For example, this boy is playing football. This boy is playing football. Okay, this boy is playing football. ये लड़का क्या कर रहा है? फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. So he is doing some work ना, कुछ काम कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है. So जो भी हम करते हैं या जो भी होता है, that is called the main verb. So here main verb is play, खेलना. Okay, then पीना. Okay, पीना like water, पीना. So पीना is also a main verb. पीना भी क्या होगा? एक main verb. Like जो सिंपली जो भी हम करते हैं या जो भी काम हम करते हैं या जो भी काम हो रहा है, that is called the main verb. Okay, for example, like some examples of main verb like आना. आना means come. जाना. जाना means go. बात करना. बात करना means talk. Then पूछना means ask. Then खाना. खाना means eat. Then पीना. Okay, पीना means drink. So whatever we do, जो भी हम करते हैं या जो भी काम हो रहा है, that is called the main verb. For example, मैं उसे बुला रहा हूँ. मैं उसे बुला रहा हूँ. So which work I'm doing? कौन सा काम कर रहा हूँ? बुला रहा हूँ. So what will be the main verb? बुलाना. मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ. मैं टीवी क्या कर रहा हूँ? देख रहा हूँ. So what will be the main verb? देखना. मैं सो रहा हूँ. क्या काम हो रहा है यहाँ पर? सोना. So what will be the main verb? सोना. Clear? So main verb means whatever we do, जो भी हम करते हैं, that is called the main verb. Okay. Now after main verb, the next part is object. The next part is object. This is also very important part. Object. Most of the time object is used at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence. ये प्रायः sentence के बिल्कुल आखिरी में आता है. Now see what is called object. Object means whatever we talk about. जिस भी चीज़ के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is called the object. For example, I want to buy a car. I want to buy a car. मैं क्या खरीदना चाहता हूँ? Car. So car will be the object. Car will be the object. Second, I am selling. I am selling apple. I am selling apple. किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ? Apple. So apple will be the object. Apple will be the object. Second example, I am eating pizza. I am eating pizza. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रहा हूँ. क्या खा रहा हूँ? पिज़्ज़ा. So what I am talking about? किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ? पिज़्ज़ा. So pizza will be the object. Clear? So what is called object? Whatever we talk about, जिस भी चीज़ के बारे में हम बात करते हैं, that is called the object. So hope object is clear. Okay, let's see some example like मैं चॉकलेट खाऊंगा. मैं चॉकलेट खाऊंगा. So what I'm talking about? किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ? चॉकलेट. So chocolate will be the object. मैं उससे मारूंगा. मैं उससे मारूंगा. किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ? उसके बारे में. मैं उससे मारूंगा. So उससे will be object. मैं ये पेन खरीदूँगा, मैं ये पेन खरीदूँगा. सो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, इस पेन के बारे में. सो पेन विल बी द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ क्लियर. वॉट एवर वी टॉक अबाउट, जिस भी चीज़ के बारे में हम बात करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द object. Is this clear? So hope you have just understood this all thing. The most important thing, subject, and after that helping verb, then main verb, and after that object. If you have completed these 4 parts, like if you have completed subjects, if you have memorized or understood helping verb, then main verb, then object, then you are ready to move on with the tense. Okay, like you can just start learning the tense now. Okay, so if you want to learn tense, then just go to the playlist, and so many useful and easy tricks are there to learn the tense. Just watch those videos and just learn tense very easily. Okay, and if you want, then you can subscribe or share this video with your friends. Okay, so hope this all topics are clear. We will just meet in the next video with another important topic.